You have participated in an economic experiment where you were given two choices, options A and B. Option B, the airplane game, is an example of a classic pyramid scheme which actually hit the theater community in Broadway in the 1980s. In this case, you start as a passenger and recruit 3. Those 3 do the same, and repeat until you have 39 people under you. Money flows from new recruits up. Keep in mind there are others recruiting at the same time as you. This is considered a deceptive and illegal practice, as nearly all will lose while a few gain. In this case, we had you enter at level 4 as the 41st participant. Level 4 people will ultimately need more than 2,000 people recruited to reach captain, more than the stated population in this scenario. Therefore, the probability of winning the airplane game simulation was effectively 0, though we will give you a 1 in 100 chance of winning the $20 today. If a structure is built on pay, recruit, and duplicate, meaning getting others to do the same, it is an endless chain recruitment structure, or pyramid scheme, which is designed to deliver gains to a few at the expense of the many, as most people will have trouble getting enough people when the structure grows exponentially. Pyramid schemes can be presented in multiple ways. Chain letters are often now presented as gifting circles. In the gifting circle called the blessing loom, pictured on the left, each person was instructed to pay $600 to enter, recruit 6 more, and they would then move one space closer to the center. When you reach the center, you get a payout. The problem? Most people will not reach the center, and this is an illegal structure. Pyramid schemes can also disguise themselves as multi-level marketing companies. As a member of a multi-level marketing company, or MLM, you would sell a product or service and recruit additional sellers. Vima Ver was an example of a multi-level marketing company sued by the Federal Trade Commission. The Federal Trade Commission argued that recruitment of new sellers overwhelmed actual sales of the company's products to consumers. When building a team of sellers becomes more important than selling, it has the same structure as an illegal pyramid scheme: pay, recruit, and get others to do the same. No matter what words or context are used, if the essence is to pay and recruit, you should reject and report. We will give you some examples of places that you can report this activity to in a moment. Other warning signs of pyramid scheme fraud include high-pressure sales tactics, a sense of urgency to get in, promises of making money fast, or promises of passive or residual income, money that you will make in the long run with little or no effort. Compensation structures that are hard to understand, push for upfront investments, or monthly or periodic payments, a focus on recruiting your friends and family, and again, the essence, a limited focus on selling to consumers outside the organization, and instead focus on recruiting or building your sales or recruitment team. We will give you a brochure today that includes these warning signs and places you can go if you are presented a scheme. But keep in mind places such as the Federal Trade Commission, your State Attorney General's office, Securities and Exchange Commission, and consumer groups like Truth in Advertising. Remember, if you are presented something that involves pay and recruit and getting other people to do the same, you should reject and report. Thank you for your help today.